This is the third part of the series of natural drinks. The drink I am going to share is related to hydrating benefits. It's a kind of a smoothie made up of some powerful ingredients. This drink keeps you hydrated, gives instant energy, and easy to digest. You can have this in Seher and Iftar as well. Let's check the ingredients. You will take 1 cup of fresh yogurt and half cup milk and 2 or 3 dates. You can take coconut water instead of milk. You can also add honey, it is optional, and a few ice cubes, it is also optional. How to make it? Let's see. Soak the dates in warm water for 10 minutes if they are hard. If they are soft, it's not necessary. In a blender, add coconut water if you are using coconut water. If you are using water, plain water, you will going to add water in the blender, yogurt, milk, and dates, and blend until smooth. And for extra sweetness, you can use honey, as I told you. Now I'm start making this drink. I am pouring fresh yogurt in my blender jug. Yogurt contains a high amount of water which helps keep the body cool and hydrated. It has probiotics that improve digestion and prevent dehydration related stomach issues. The minerals in yogurt like calcium and potassium help retain water in the body. And eating yogurt, it is also very beneficial in Seher or Iftar. Now I will add these pieces of dates and I am going to just blend it with my blender machine. So see, and I'm going to start blending it. Pour into a glass and ice cubes if you like and enjoy. Let's talk about the benefits of the food that I use to make the drink. If you add coconut water instead of milk, it enhances the energy more. Coconut water is full of electrolytes that prevent dehydration after long fasting hours. In the summer season, you can also use this energy drink. Now I am just going to add honey, 1 teaspoon of honey, just for taste. It is optional. You can have this drink in scorching hot when you feel perspired yourself and you feel thirst. You need to hydrate it, so it is the best drink for you. Milk is a great source of water as it contains about 85 to 90% water, helping to keep the body hydrated. It has electrolytes that potassium and sodium which help maintain the body's water balance. The proteins and fats in milk slow down water loss, keeping you hydrated for a longer time. Drinking milk after fasting helps replace lost fluids and provides energy. Yogurt contains a high amount of water which helps keep the body cool and hydrated. It has probiotics that improve digestion and prevent dehydration related stomach issues. The minerals in yogurt like calcium and potassium help retain water in the body. And if you eat yogurt in Seher or Iftar, can help prevent thirst and dryness in the body. Dates are rich in natural sugars and fiber which help the body absorb and retain water. They contain potassium, an important mineral that helps maintain hydration and prevent dehydration. The fiber in dates slows down digestion, helping the body hold on to water for longer. Eating 2-3 dates at iftar can quickly restore energy and hydration levels after a long fast. Actually, dates are a natural source of sugar, fiber, and nutrients, making them perfect for breaking the fast. This drink gives extra energy. Honey adds an extra energy boost. Milk and yogurt provide protein and calcium for strong muscles and bones. Coconut water has vitamins and minerals that nourish the body, refreshes, and cools the body. This drink is light and refreshing, perfect for summer and fast. Why this drink is perfect for Ramadan? Because it's quick and easy to make, takes only 5 minutes, it has nutrient rich, a healthy way to break the fast. It's gentle on the stomach, no bloating or heaviness after drinking. It's great for both Sari and Iftar, keeps you full and energized. Try this hydrating smoothie or drink every day and during Ramzan as well. Do share this video and hit the bell icon to subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.